If you love home cooking but hate juggling multiple appliances, today's product might completely transform your kitchen routine. Imagine pressure cooking, air frying, grilling, roasting, slow cooking, and even sautéing all in one single machine. Today we're taking a close look at the Nuwave Duet electric pressure cooker and air fryer combo, a powerful 450 in one multi-cooker designed to save time, reduce oil, and deliver restaurant-quality meals at home. The purchase link is available in the description below. Now let's talk about the problem many home cooks face. Traditional cooking takes time. Air fryers crisp well, but don't always lock in moisture. Pressure cookers cook fast, but don't give you that crispy finish. And using multiple appliances means extra cleanup, more counter space, and more complexity. This is exactly where the Nuwave Duet shines. It combines pressure cooking and air frying into one smart system, letting you cook food quickly while still getting that golden, crispy texture everyone loves. Let's say you're cooking chicken. Normally, you'd pressure cook it to make it tender, then transfer it to an oven or air fryer to crisp it up. With this multi-cooker, you start with pressure cooking to seal in juices and finish with air frying, all inside the same pot. The result? Tender on the inside, crispy on the outside, and done much faster. Another standout feature is its dynamic pressure control technology, which automatically adjusts pressure up to 200 times during cooking. That means consistent boiling, better flavor extraction, and meals that cook up to 70% faster compared to traditional methods. But this isn't just about speed, it's about precision. The built-in digital temperature probe monitors the internal temperature of your food, so you get perfectly cooked results every time. Whether it's a roast, chicken, or steak, you don't have to guess when it's done. And if you cook for a family, the 6-quart stainless steel inner pot is a great size. It can handle a whole 5-pound chicken or a 6-pound roast, making it ideal for feeding 4 to 6 people, or for batch cooking your meals for the week. One thing I really like is how user-friendly the control system is. The digital display paired with a 2-in, 1-dial control panel makes it easy to access hundreds of presets. Even if you're new to pressure cooking or air frying, you'll be able to start cooking within minutes. Another major benefit is healthier cooking. Because of the air frying technology, you can get crispy textures with up to 90% less oil, which means healthier versions of your favorite foods: fries, chicken wings, and roasted veggies. And cleanup? Surprisingly simple. The removable lids and dishwasher-safe accessories make the process much easier than dealing with several different appliances. Plus, the package comes with a ton of extras: an air fryer basket, grill plate, reversible rack, digital temp probe, recipe book, and even access to the Nuwave Cooking Club app for more cooking inspiration. So, who is this multi-cooker really for? If you're someone who wants fast meals, fewer appliances, healthier cooking, and consistent results, the Nuwave Duet electric pressure cooker and air fryer combo is designed exactly for that. Busy families will love the speed. Home cooks will love the versatility. And anyone trying to eat healthier will appreciate the air frying capability. Overall, this is one of those appliances that can truly replace several others on your counter while giving you better results in less time. If you're ready to simplify your cooking and upgrade your kitchen setup, this might be the all-in-one solution you've been looking for. Click the link in the description to check the latest price. And if you enjoy discovering smart kitchen gadgets like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our next review.